Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon from the bottom corner right here. Go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. You see your draft right here. Go ahead and click on any video draft. Now you are here. You have access back to your draft. You can go ahead and click on here. This gives you different options for your draft. You can either delete draft, rename draft, pin draft, or make a duplicate of the draft. Or better still, you can click on this pencil icon right here, which allows you to edit your draft in Edit by Instagram. Go ahead and click on edit icon and you will be taken in right here. You can edit your draft as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Instagram app like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.